Today is National Diatomaceous Earth Day. You're probably saying, huh? Well, this naturally occurring material found all over the world has some great benefits. Diatomaceous earth is used for many different reasons, but today I'm highlighting its use around a household. This non-toxic powder is great for outdoor and indoor pest control. The particles stick to the insects' bodies and result in some loss of water, dehydrate, and sometimes die. Very important to always wear a mask, eyewear, and gloves when applying to avoid contact with your eyes or lungs. Yeah, you may look funny, but safety first. Outdoors, it can be used on plants as a natural pesticide or as ant control, which must be done consistently for best results. Indoors, you just sprinkle it around your baseboards or window seals. Specifically look for points of entry for best results. Diatomaceous earth can also be used as a deodorizer, similar to baking soda. Place a small container in your fridge or sprinkle in the bottom of your trash can. It can also be used as an abrasive cleaning agent when mixed with water. Do some research and check out the many benefits of diatomaceous earth. It's quite amazing.